In this tailstrike event, the lower lobe of the aft fuselage contacted the runway, resulting in scrapes on the fuselage skin. The scratches are blended out, but not completely removed. The repair doubler was then installed on the exterior fuselage skin, covering up the scratches. Note that the repair fasteners did not extend beyond the scratches into undamaged material, but rather were installed coincident with the scratches. With every flight, cabin pressurization and flight loading apply stress to the repaired area. Under the repair doubler, each scratch acts as a notch to concentrate stress locally at the base of the scratch. For the scratches that are outside the reinforcing doubler, the underlying skin feels both the cyclic skin stresses plus the stress concentration due to the notch effect. The following is an illustration of the effect of a notch. The skin stress is fairly uniform through the thickness of the skin. At the notch location, the local stress at the notch is increased far beyond fatigue stress design values. The increased local stress at the notch initiates a fatigue crack, and the crack continues to grow undetected with subsequent flight cycling. As the crack grows larger, the skin attempts to bulge out due to cabin pressure. The outward movement is restricted due to the doubler, and this action causes the skin to wear against the repair doubler, leaving fretting marks. The additional restraint provided by the doubler allowed the crack to grow very large without being detected. The load that was once carried by the skin has been transferred to the frame structure, which now becomes overloaded and fails. The airplane can no longer sustain flight.